Hello everyone. Let's talk about stellar lumens. Now, guys, not to give you guys a big surprise, but man, this crypto is burning. Like a lot of pain. So, when it comes to my analysis, guys, we're on the weekly and we're looking at the overall trend. Now, when it comes to this crypto, guys, yes, it's downtrending, but it has been slowing down in the last month. So the last month, it has been stabilizing the price of like 10 to 12 cents, just about. Now, is this a good buying opportunity? We got some good wicks right here, possibly almost like a hammer that pulls back, and it shows that it is slowing down. That's a very good thing. So, what is a good time to short? For a shorting position, obviously the next big zone for it to hit would be down here in the 6 to 8 cent zone. But we have a long way for that buying zone too. For this trend. So for me, guys, when I see stuff like this happening, I just wait. I do 2 price alerts to see what happened to this crypto, because I can't watch everything. So what I like to do is, if it does go down lower, I'll do a price alert right about here. So if it gets down to these lows right here at like 10 cents or below, and it has a close under 10 cents, do a price alert. So if it goes down there, you can see what's happening, because it's going to take a lot more bars on the weekly just to get to, for me to even think about buying this crypto, because cryptos are in a downtrend right now. So typically, if everything's going down, it's going to continue that way until, I would say, until Bitcoin wants to react differently. But this is different conversation. But I would say typically it should be heading out lower. I would say a price prediction of 8 cents, but not entering on market or a sell stop, just basically, or even a sell limit. I'll wait until it hits a price alert, then enter into the market after it does a big close, possibly 2 candles or 2 weeks of down, before entering on a short position. Or, if you guys think the reverse way, because you guys are, cash positions or hodling, buying in the zone and getting in for a pullback, possibly, for it to go down lower. Now, that's not my aim, guys. I don't like buying short term like that. Unless it's an easy trade, like there's a lot of like momentum happening, then sure, it's a good possibility. But for this crypto, I don't see that happening. That it goes up for a big pullback. It might do a small pullback, kind of like this right here, like 1, 2, 3, like a 4, almost 1 month, 1 month gain, and then gets pushed back down. That's a good possibility, but I think overall, short position, target profit about, say, 8 to 9 cents, pull back, head down lower. Now, if you guys agree with my analysis or disagree with my analysis, just drop it in the comment section. We're gonna have a discussion about what your plans are for XLM. Here's my plans with it. Now we'll show you some other details. Now, this is what I like is on 824,000 people's watch list. 11 cents. It's a 2.8 billion market cap. Now, if you go down, you can read some other details like what is Stellar. It's a peer-to-peer P2P decentralized network created in 2014. Now, we can read some of the details. Now, a lot of crypto has a lot of details about what they plan to do, what they're currently being used for, what they state they are. Is the crypto actually being used for those reasons, or is it purely being used for speculation? Now, I would say the majority of cryptos out there, there's like 21,000 now. The majority is being used for speculation, just for people to appreciate, to hope on the ideas of appreciating, and to make some money. All the uses of like transferring, sending, dApps, all the other uses, I think is very marginal, very small, and the rest of it is just for making money. But that's my opinion about crypto for the most part. But check out the website stellar.org and their Twitter Stellar, and they got like 752,000 followers. So that's I like that. So they can post an update that can possibly change what they're doing. Outside that, guys, check out my website andrejmcclendon.com. Now I'm updating the economy portion to look a little bit better and have some more stuff on there, so you guys can look at charts for different states and countries. So please check that out, guys. But other than that, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.